Tired of guessing your AWS bill? Meet CloudWise AI Copilot, your personal assistant for AWS clarity. Connect your AWS account and ask any question in plain English. Get clear, instant answers like, "Why did my AWS bill increase 40%?" CloudWise analyzes your costs and responds quickly. Your EC2 costs rose by $2,147 due to new instances. Switching to M5.large, save $1,920 monthly. No more spreadsheets or confusion, just actionable insights. Start free with 5 AI questions daily and upgrade anytime. Take control of your AWS costs today. Visit cloudcostwise.io to start saving smarter. Understand, optimize, save.